At the end of today's tutorial, we will get from this to this. Welcome to the part 2 tutorial. This is where we left at part 1. So in this part, we will talk about how to format the data, how to give professional look to your Excel worksheet. So at first, let's move our average from here to here. Ctrl X, then select the position, Ctrl V. Now add minimum and maximum. Let's get the minimum value and the maximum value for January. So if you remember correctly, go to formula, insert formula, min, go, minimum, OK, hold left click, the range, press OK. So 50 is our minimum. Do the same for max. Let's do it for all the months. Move your cursor when it becomes plus, hold left click and drag. Let's increase the size of our title. Select the cell. Now if you look at our table, you will see that the column widths are not same and the title is taking 2 column space. At first we need to fix our title position without affecting any columns. So how can you do that? Select our 4 column, click on merge and center. Now it will work like a single cell and we can fix our table width without affecting the title. Now the question is what currency we are using here. Suppose we are using US dollar. So select the numbers you want to put your currency, home, and you will see that numbers and there is dollar sign, euro, Chinese yen. Let's select dollar. Now everyone will know that the currency is US dollar. Let's style our header. Select all the headers. Now choose your design from here. These designs are already provided by Microsoft. Now suppose you want to have your own style, not the Microsoft prefix style. So come to rend, fill it with whatever color you want, suppose light gray, bold the text. Now come here, click on here, new style cell, give it a name, my style, press OK. Now you have your own style. Now click other rows and you can choose your own style from here, my style. Voila. Now if you look closely, we have decimal values here, but in the table inside we don't have any decimal values. Suppose you want to put decimal value here. Select the columns you want to put decimal value. Come to numbers and you will see here that increase decimal and decrease decimal. If you click one time here, it will add 1 decimal value, twice 2, thrice 3. We want only 2 decimal points. So we are done with decimals. Now comes to percentage. We never see percentage like this, right? So we need to convert into percent. Select all the cells in numbers you will see percent value. Click on it. As you can see that it's rounded our values, but we don't want rounded values, we want the accurate values. So select all of the cells, right click, then go to format cells, then its percentage, increase decimal places around 2. Now we get our almost accurate percentage. Let's talk about conditional formatting. Suppose we want to mark all the expenses which are higher than 500. So select all the expenses, come to conditional formatting in home tab, click on it. So we need higher than 500, greater than 500. You can select which color do you want, yellow, green fill, red text, red border. I am using the default one. Press OK. Now it's showing us, now it's marked all the expenses that we have over 500. What about 100? Same, greater than, change the value to 100. So we have January, February and March. Now suppose you want to add April here. So what will you do? If you want to insert the column after March, you need to select the next column, then Ctrl plus, and your new column with same width is there and with same style. Let's give it April. April 2019. We want our total here too, right? Just click here, drag it here, voila. Same goes for the rows too. Select 14, Ctrl plus, now what if you want to remove a column or a row? Same, just select the row, Ctrl minus, done. Now suppose you want to put border here. What will you do? Go to home, then over the font there is a icon. If you click on bottom border, you will see that it's added a border at bottom. Select them all again. All borders, it will put border in all sides. So final tips for this part: if you want to clear your style like borders and colors and everything, just select all the cells, come to editing, and there you will find clear. Click on drop down and select clear format. It will clear all the designs. Last thing I will teach here is format painter. Suppose you are in hurry and you want to put one style here, another style here and another style from here. So what will you do? Select the style, home, format painter. Now where you want to put the style, I want to put the style on minimum, so it's done. Now suppose I want this style, format printer, same, it's done. Thank you guys. If you have any question, please leave a comment below and give a thumbs up.